Okay, this is section 1.3. So far, you should have seen at least one other video that I did not do to help introduce you to your compass. And there should be another video coming up at the end of this section for you to be able to use your compass a little bit the way you're supposed to. So we're going to talk about vocabulary. You're going to need to know coordinate, on the real number, on a number line, the real numbers are coordinates. That's about all you need to know. And then down here with the purple, we've got another postulate and another one. And then they tell you this one is a definition, so that means it has to be done in yellow. Set of points on a line is a segment if and only if it consists of 2 points called the endpoints, and all points in between them. And then we'll talk more about this and go over it more in our lesson. And then we have array consists of a segment and all points That's a convoluted way of saying it. We'll come up with a better way in class. I don't care about opposite rays. Distance we'll talk about in class. 2 segments are congruent. They have equal measures. And then is a midpoint. It divides the segment into 2 congruent segments. Corollary is a theorem. Speaking of theorems, remember all theorems and corollaries and postulates are done in purple because they have to go on your postulate sheet. Anything that intersects a segment at a midpoint is called a bisector of the segment. And then the midpoint theorem is that one right there. And we will talk about all this while we're in class in the next video. And my mom is going to have a video for you after that to do some things with your compass. When you're practicing with your compass, you need to make sure you do it on regular paper. Don't waste expensive paper. Don't use white paper like she does. Regular old line paper, graph paper, it doesn't matter. It's just fine. There's no need to be exact. It could be a piece of scrap paper if you want. There's nothing that says that it has to be anything fancy. Nobody's going to see it but you. When I start having you turn things into me, that's when it needs to be done on nice paper. Okay, so I will talk to you in the next video.